Welcome to savemake.com. Action, start. So today I want to share with you this product that I found at the flea market. I think it was perhaps an Amazon return. So the first thing that you can notice is that I bought it at the flea market, so I did not buy it full price. And I want also to alternate practical suggestion, practical tips, but also sometimes more the theoretical side. So many videos are more on the theoretical, but this is a great opportunity for me to speak about a money saving box. And I'm going to unbox it for you, so it's still completely wrapped. Here we go. So let me show you how it is inside. So it's a box that you can design. So I am removing the wrapping paper, and it's completely new. So it's made for children. So you see that they are children design. I'm going to remove that because this is just for the purpose of the presentation. But what matters is that you have different slots where you can put your savings towards different projects. So you put the lid on top. There we go. Up. And you are going to put your dollar bills inside. So let me show you actually with the box, with the packaging, because I think it's more real. They are showing you a picture in use. As you can see, so you have different goals: car, travel, health, home. And the idea is to use the box to save the money. It's not rocket science, but I think it's a good concept. And as always, I have always told you, you need to find that one thing that works for you. So let me remove the box. That one thing that works for you. So if that kind of a saving box is the right tool for you, I would go for it. There is a link below the video in the description, which is where you can buy it. You know, they are about $15, so it's not very expensive. But you can see that as a tool, it's going to help you achieve your goals. So I think it's money well spent. The second thing that I want to say, and I'm going to stress that more and more, especially if you have a significant other, children in your household, or even relative that you want to influence, you can become a role model. So all this SaveMake initiative, you can become an ambassador of that dynamic and influence others. And I can tell you, there is nothing more rewarding than to see that you have been successfully influencing others and that they are progressing in the right direction, which is, by the way, exactly what I am doing with you today and with all the videos and the website. It's influencing. That's the reason why, you remember, I have a coach cap hat, because I see myself only as a coach. I'm not telling you what to do. I am just trying to influence you to head in the right direction. And you remember the overall direction that we are trying to have is moving out of the debt zone, the debt zone, to a balanced budget, to building equity. So let me double check. I have always a cheat sheet. I think I have found I have discussed with you most of the topics that I wanted to discuss with you. So as a summary, this money saving box, if you think it's the right tool for you or your relatives, friends, children in your household, I would say go for it. There is a link below the video where you can buy the same. The other point that we have discussed, which is very important, is your ability to influence others, and that's going to be very rewarding. Remember, when you are able to teach to others, that shows that you master the topic. And teaching others is the ultimate level of mastering a topic. You are not just a doer, you are not, so you will move from being passive to understanding, to doing, and to teaching. You see the four. So passive, or even worse, denial, passive, doing, and then teaching to others and seeing results at the other. So you see it's a 6 or 7 step process, and this is where I want you to move towards your ability to influence others in the same manner that I am doing it with you. And remember, whatever you choose as a solution, it's always that one thing which is working for you. So if the box is different, if it doesn't have, the children drawings, it does not matter. It's that only thing which is working for you. I think, I want also to show you the back, because I think it's also a little bit concrete in the way to do it. Very good product. When I saw that, I was completely thrilled, because I thought, wow, that's going to be a concrete topic for the viewers of savemake.com. So, if you have any questions on how to do it, if you need any help, please ask them through the comment section. And again, if you want to order the product, there is a link to an affiliate resource with whom I am working, where you can buy it. Thank you very much for watching this video.